Alrighty. This is a Wednesday, a cool January day in 2015, and I'm out here going to videotape my garden because today is the day that I find out if I have anything substantial in my pot right here of these that actually are just pieces of garlic that I've thrown in this pot. As you can see, I've thrown other things in here, and here now is onion growing. So these pieces of garlic obviously did very well, and I'm going to think that they're going to be elephant size from what I'm seeing here. So in my next video, I'm going to videotape. Look at the green peppers are doing good. I'm going to videotape the removal, my harvesting of what I believe is garlic. And I will see you in the next video.